Hello everyone. So today, as you can see, I am actually preparing grilled salmon, and I have already off video. I have prepared chicken for the week, drumsticks. I have already washed them and seasoned them. I have also already washed and sliced or cut up my salmon how the sizes that I want for it, and as you can see, the rest I am storing in a Ziploc bag. And what I do is during the week when I don't want big meals and it's just me and my husband because we are empty nesters now, I just usually take and I pull out the refrigerator what I'm going to cook that day. It's either fish or chicken, and we'll have different vegetables with it, maybe a tossed salad, and we kind of prepare our meals like that. We've been eating very light here lately, so everything has pretty much been working out very, very good. Okay, so as you can see, I have prepared a little bit of jasmine rice into my rice pot. I wanted this to go with my salmon, something very simple and plain, but still delicious. Here you can actually see I'm showing you my power air fryer, and the reason that I most of the time go ahead and pre-season my chicken, because when I'm hungry or need something to eat, I can just stick a few pieces into this air fryer and do a vegetable, and it is great. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm showing you my pan. It's probably out of sight, but it's the green, it's called Green Wise or something like that. But it's just a little small grill pan that I usually use to do my grilled salmon on. And I've been loving this pan because it's excellent. I do take and put a little bit of oil on it, brush a little bit of oil on it, and I let it get very, very hot before I actually put my salmon on here, okay? So as you will see, I'm just going to start adding a little bit of oil. I have my stove on medium heat, and I'm just going to brush a little bit of oil on this pan. Now, please understand, with this particular pan, it is a non-stick, and you really didn't need any oil, but that was just a habit, something that I always do, and I just add just a little bit of oil to it because I love the skin of the salmon, and I did not want my skin to pull off for any reason, because I want to have that to eat too on my salmon. It's just so nice and crunchy and so good. Okay, well anyway, let's get back to the video. As you can see, I'm letting my pan get very, very hot, and this is very important because you don't want to take and put your salmon onto a cold grill, okay? You want it to be nice and hot, so when you put that salmon onto that grill, skin down first, it's going to begin to cook and really crisp that skin up very, very good, just the way that I like it, okay? So now as you can see, I have my salmon. It's already been seasoned, and it's pretty much ready to go, just waiting on our pan to get good and hot. Okay, so as you can see, I am actually getting ready to put our salmon onto the grill. And when I attempted to do it the first time, the grill was not as hot, because the reason that I know that is because when you lay it skin down, it's gonna sear. You're gonna hear that searing sound, okay? Okay, now that was the searing sound that I was talking about. That lets you know that that grill is hot and it's gonna sear that skin and get it the way that I love it, okay? So now our salmon is just gonna stay here. It's gonna grill, and you're gonna see as it grills, I begin to flip it to each side so that it can continue to cook. We'll maybe cooking this probably about 4 minutes on each side until now I like for mine to be cooked, make sure that it's cooked all the way through, but it's still soft and tender, and the bottom is very, the skin is very crispy. So that's how I like for my salmon to be. Everybody has their preference, but this is the way that I like for my salmon to be, okay? Okay, now as you can see, I'm getting ready to flip these over, and look at that crispy skin, you all. It is divine. And I made sure that each side with the skin, it was cooked to the crispness that I liked it, the crispiness, excuse me, that I like. And as you can see, it's still pink in the middle, so you want it to be able to fully cook that pink out of the middle. So we're gonna let these cook and do their thing on the grill as we continue to sit here and watch it. I mean, I was so hungry till I was just sitting here watching it saying, could you please hurry up? My stomach is just so hungry. But nevertheless, I did wait patiently for it, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, my husband wanted a little bit of salad, which is the veggie blend that I bought. And so he's going to have some ranch dressing with that. As you can see also, the salmon, I have flipped them onto the side because when I am cooking these, I try to make sure that I flip it and grill it on each side to make sure that it is well done inside, but then also that it's soft inside. You don't want it to be hard on the outside except for the skin, which is very crispy, but you want it to be cooked nice and slowly inside and well done. I like mine, of course, my fish needs to be well done. I don't like to see any rawness inside. So as you can see here, I'm getting ready to take them off. They are now ready and they look delicious, y'all. And believe me, they were delicious. So I took them off of the grill. Of course, turned the burner off and moved my pan from the stove. And wanted to try to clean up a little bit, but these fish are ready. And when I tell you all that it was so easy to prepare these, and so because I have already sliced up and seasoned the rest and have it in Ziploc bags, I can switch from salmon or chicken, and that pretty much can carry me for the whole week. Okay, y'all, so this is the beautiful fish, how it turned out. Isn't it amazing? I had a little bit of rice and butter on the side. That's one of my favorites. And I mean, it just turned out phenomenal. Okay, so just like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace, love, and happiness.